of the fish are still getting me.
Morning. So you can see much better in the daylight the place that we're staying. So that's our bungalow back there. We're just about to make our way out to, so there's fish. So I just went to buy one banana and I've ended up buying an entire bunch because I broke one of the bananas off the bunch, which is apparently a no-go. So just an FYI, don't take one banana, take 20. We've managed to distribute the bananas throughout the bus, so normality has returned. So we made it to EREWAN Waterfall. Ashling is still here. Say hello. Not a bad view. Okay, we're nearly at the very top, waterfall 7. Ashling is still alive. Ashling fell.
Did you catch that on camera?
No, I didn't. I was so close. This is the top waterfall of EREWAN. Thanks. I'm not sure, is that a fish or a leaf? Fish are eating my feet and it's so strange.
Hello.
Nice in there.
I know. I told you it's my new home.
On our way down now after a really nice swim. We're going to lose Ashling at some stage, I can feel it. We're just in the car park waiting for the bus home and a pig has just kind of sauntered on in. We've made it home from the waterfalls and we're in a different room tonight. This is the room here. And we're just gonna head out for some food now and then probably head, so I will see you tomorrow.